Yo, hello guys and welcome back again to a brand new video. In today's tutorial guys, I will show you how to type in the party chat. So basically there is multiple chats in Valorant. Overall there is the team chat, the party chat, the whisper and the all chat. These are the 5 collection of chat that you can find in Valorant. But in this specific video, I will show you how to actually talk in the party chat. Well, how you can do that? First of all, guys, I will need you to grab your Riot Games account and then log into your Valorant web game. And then, as you can see here, this window will be open. So basically, it is just the normal Valorant thing. You will just have to go to click on play, and then here you will have to add someone. So when you are with someone, for example, a friend, you will find here the party chat. So basically, to be able to write in the party chat, sometimes you might find it, for example, like so, and you don't know how to turn it back. So it is pretty simple, guys. What you'll have to do is go here and click on tab to turn it back to party chat. So here, for example, you can just type hi, and basically the only people that will be able to see these messages will be only the guys or the friends that you have in your party chat. So for example, you were two guys in this party chat and you joined a competitive game. You will, if you type in the party chat, the only members of the party will be able to see it. Your team members will not be able to see them. So make sure to fix that. If you are in game, make sure that you are on the team chat, not on the party chat. And same go on for the game. If you are on the all chats, which is when you accidentally press on shift and enter at the same time, you will be on the all chat. So to turn it back, just go ahead and click on tab and it will go back to team chat. And if you want to turn it to something else, you can just click again on tab and it will be to whisper and so go on. So yeah, guys, once again, you just have to go to back here, play, invite a friend, and here you go, the party chat over here. So thank you guys for watching. I hope you leave comments down below if you have any questions, and see ya in the next tutorial.